Hi, I'm Tom Hudson. There's no worse feeling in the world than discovering that the lawyer you trusted just wasn't up to the task. And of course, you never find that out until the damage is done. So here are some common sense recommendations. First, spend at least as much effort to find your lawyer as you would to find a barber. If you moved to a new city, you'd probably ask around before you chose a barber or a hairdresser. You'd at least talk to somebody who'd gotten good results. And your hair will grow back in a few weeks. Hiring a lawyer is a whole different story. In a criminal case, the result is something you'll be living with for years to come. So talk to somebody who's actually had to hire a DUI lawyer. Or go to a lawyer who practices in some other field and ask him or her who's the best DUI lawyer in town. Second, if you want to find a shark, look in the water. If you need a trial lawyer, go to the courthouse. Ask the people who work there. Deputies, bailiffs, court reporters. They see lots of lawyers and they know who's good and who isn't. They may give you a few names, or they may not. Sometimes they're told not to make recommendations. But be persistent. If you strike up a conversation and make a friend, you're at least likely to find out who to avoid. Third, experience counts. It may be hard to believe, but most lawyers never try a case in their entire careers. When you talk to lawyers, ask them how many trials they've had, and what kind. You don't want your appendix to be taken out by a doctor who's never operated before. Finally, don't hire a general practitioner to do a specialized job. Some types of cases don't demand specialized knowledge. Other types, such as DUI cases, do. More than any type of criminal case except perhaps homicides, DUI cases involve detailed scientific evidence. A complete defense requires command of principles of chemistry, biology, and physics, and familiarity with hundreds of scientific studies. Ask your prospective lawyer if he has training in breath testing or the field sobriety tests. You should understand the limitations of any lawyer. You're hiring a lawyer, not a magician. Beware of false promises. Any lawyer that tells you that a case is a lock is just not trustworthy. Sad to say, an unscrupulous lawyer can make worthless guarantees with the knowledge that if things go wrong, the client really won't be in a position to do much about it. There's a whole lot more information throughout our website at DUISarasota.com and DUIKeyWest.com. Thanks.